Hey, aren't you tired of not getting paid in ETH? Well, there's a lot happening in this space to bridge the gap between you and your future bag of ETH. Stay tuned as we jump into this week's news on mass adoption and upcoming token news. Hello my crypto friends, I'm Dee Lawson and welcome back to another weekly review of the crypto market. Hope you had a great week. I'm reporting here from Sydney, Australia, and I know what you're thinking. No, we do not ride kangaroos to work every day. We just try not to get roundhouse kicked by them. Since my last video, lots has been happening. We're going to take a bit of a deep dive into some of the mass adoption news where we've got Binance Pay, Visa and PayPal really stepping up. And of course, we're going to look at some upcoming token news and some upcoming launches to keep your eye out on. All right, so let's jump into it. So Binance has just launched a beta version of Binance Pay. This will allow users to pay with crypto as well as get paid in crypto by using the wallet QR code app. They have about 5 currencies at the moment. So if you're wondering why the Binance BNB token has been seriously going up recently, this may be a part of the reason. Visa is to pilot crypto API through their partnership with Neobank. The crypto API allows an easy bridge between crypto assets and blockchain networks. The API pilot program is anticipated to launch by the end of the year. With Visa as the world's leading payment processor, this news is huge. It is not uncommon to see institutions doing a 180 view on cryptocurrency. Visa also used to be a bit skeptical about crypto, but now, according to their head of crypto, we see crypto assets as more like digital gold. With PayPal making massive waves in 2020 by allowing users to purchase cryptocurrency on their platform, PayPal has got even more in store for 2021. After their crypto launch, the volume of crypto traded exceeded PayPal's expectations. So they are now investing heavy in their new crypto, blockchain, and digital currencies unit. You may remember the news last year in September when KuCoin was hacked with 285 million taken. Well, the news for the week is KuCoin has recovered all of the stolen funds that happened last year. While the news of an attack is negative, the fact that KuCoin could identify the criminal quickly, as well as reassure their customers of the stolen funds that they will be compensated, is a significant step in the crypto space. Altcoins are seriously booming right now, and as you can see on the BTC dominance chart, the BTC dominance is declining. So what altcoins have upcoming news that may even push BTC dominance lower? So you may have noticed some news going around regarding Yearn Finance. So on the 3rd of February, the holders of YFI voted to whether 6,666 YFI was to be minted. Now, along with this minting is also the decision on where the actual portion of this minted YFI will go, as in how much is into treasury or to contributors, for example. Now, why 6,666 YFI to mint? Well, this is approximately 22% of the current supply, and it is in line with their peers such as Aave, when they minted 23% to migrate from Lend to Aave. The final vote to increase the supply was 1,674 and 331 against. The choice of minting and why majority of the community voted for it was the fact that it is for the future growth of YFI. Now, the choice of minting and why there is such a huge portion of the holders that voted for it is to support the future growth of YFI and after comparing its token distribution structure to other DeFi projects. YFI either had to earn 56 million or mint a total of 56 million worth of YFI in order to support the future development of the token. For the 16% of voters who voted against the minting, there was an opposition who stated that there was a lack of information regarding the vesting. While inflating a token is generally not positive news, have a look at the support from the actual YFI holders themselves. They are the ones that actually still currently hold it, and they are completely for this decision. Well, 84% of them. So while this is a short-term negative news, I think there is a lot more coming in store for YFI, and we all need to watch this space. This month, QiSwap, which is a third-party decentralized exchange built on the Quantum blockchain, is actually going to be distributing some tokens of their own to Quantum holders. The airdrop will begin on the 14th of February and continue for 2 weeks. And for every 4.9 Quantum that you hold, you will receive 1 Qi. Secret Network, which is a rebrand of the Enigma token, has recently announced earlier this month the first and only crypto auction platform with privacy as default. The team have also announced the first front-running resistant cross-chain AMM on its testnet this week. This will go live on the Secret Network's mainnet on the week commencing the 15th of February. Now, let's take a little bit of a sneak peek into what's coming up towards the end of this month. You may have seen Cardano has had some serious gains recently. You might be wondering, what is happening there? Well, on the 3rd of February, Cardano successfully deployed Goguen Merry update to the Cardano public testnet for final testing before the mainnet deployment. The Merry codebase is due to be deployed by the end of February if all testing goes as planned. The transition to the Goguen era will allow developers to fully take advantage of Cardano's smart contracts and tokenization. This is creating a whole new ecosystem based on scientific principles and scalability. I don't know about you, but I am super excited about what Cardano has in store for us. So upcoming launches this week, you may have seen Umbrella Network listed out there. So Umbrella Network is a scalable, cost-efficient and community-owned oracle for the DeFi and blockchain community. The team actually provided their community a bit of a comparison on how they compete with other oracles such as Chainlink. An interesting component is the fact that there are no pre-mined tokens, and the community will own the majority of all publicly available tokens, therefore making it decentralized and community owned. The Umbrella Network's IDO whitelist has actually closed. However, the token generation event in preparation for the IDO PokerStart listing and Uniswap listing will be on Tuesday, 9th of February. So what have we done here in Adapt Crypto? We have actually kicked off our first live stream TA with our very own Trade Sharp and a special guest of Gooding. Don't forget to catch us every Sunday 7 p.m. Sydney, Australia time, where you'll be able to chuck your tokens at our good old Trade Sharp, and he'll be able to give you some insights into whether a token is on a good trend from a TA perspective or there's something you might need to further consider. We also kicked off a daily live stream. Now this is to provide some news on an ongoing basis, as well as get to know our team members such as Gooding and Marsh McDan. One of our team members has actually just done a blog post on how to use cryptocurrency for financial independence. Now this is part 1, and there will be multiple series to build on this. So if you love Gonzo's content just as much as we do, stay tuned on our Adapt Crypto website, where you will be able to see more information in this space. So what is coming up this week? We will actually be doing a gem alert review on Poker Markets and Modify. With Alpha and Sushi seriously doing so well, our Sushi Prophet, or aka Crypto Bender, will be providing a bit of an insight into Alpha's news and what is to come. Well everyone, thanks for joining me for another weekly review of the crypto market. If you haven't done so already, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. We are a friendly bunch of crypto lovers who are always willing to help each other. So if this sounds like the place for you, jump into our Telegram and Discord, and I will see you there. Have a great week everyone, and I'll see you next week for another review of the crypto market. And don't forget to hit that subscribe